No,
Yeah,
she can't
take her-
walk yet.
take her
She's
on.
working on it.
She can walk. Take her for a little walk, Logan.
She's-
Take her hands. Say, walk with me. Tell her.
You want your water? Here.
Yeah, she wants to take little Jolie for a little walk. Look at this, Melanie.
Joe Logan's ready to leave. She's crawling.
Yeah,
She
look at that.
can't walk yet.
She can. You can take her for a walk. Well, we don't want to go outside. Nobody home. Excuse me. Thank you very much.
Sorry.
Uh-oh.
What?
Well, look where Jolie is. Is that...
No, she can't open
Okay.
it. Yes, Daddy went outside. He's coming back. He's coming right
You're coming back.
Yeah. What is that? What do you have in there? Water, right?
Yeah, very good.
Very good.
You want to take Jolie for a walk, Logan? Take her hand. Go for a little walk with her. Show her how to walk the walk. And she'll teach you how to talk the talk. Well,
Totally
I mean-
knows exactly what she wants. Yes, you're pretty funny. You're pretty funny. Water, right? Yes, it is.
yes, it is. Oops.